What's up, guys? It's been a while since I last posted my video, and I just returned back from Bali, Indonesia with my wife, visiting her family. Had an amazing trip there, and out of that trip we did make some travel videos, and that is all on my wife's YouTube channel. Please subscribe to her down in the link below. We made some cool videos, went through a lot of cool trips in Bali, what to do as a tourist there, scams to avoid, and we cover a lot of topics, so please subscribe to her down below. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys 8 essential items that you should carry in your Lexus NX or your car, regardless of where you live, because no matter in life, there accidents happen, things happen, and it's better to be prepared. Okay, for the 2022 Lexus NX 350h, you guys already know that we have like a secret compartment here with plenty of space, and this is where the hybrid battery is, and then this is where I store all my essential gear. Okay, the first essential item is an electric air compressor. This is about $30 on Amazon. You just attach it to your 12-volt battery in your car, and you literally just turn the power on, set it to your manufacturer's recommended tire pressure settings, and just pump air. It's very convenient. Great to have if your tire's running low on air and you don't have to go to a gas station. I highly recommend this. Okay, next up is a first aid kit. When we purchased our NX, came with the first aid kit. This is a very basic one, but you can find ones on Amazon for under like $15. So we have your typical bandages, scissors, gauze, wraps, gloves, mask, and a few medications and alcohol pads. I also carry a tourniquet, and this is a little bit more on the extreme side. So this stops bleeding on any of your limbs, and you apply it and it stops bleeding. It's very easy to learn, and it's only like under 10 bucks on Amazon, and it can save a life. I highly recommend carrying it around for any emergency situations. Okay, in this compartment I carry my water and food here. It's about 6 bottles of water. You never know when you're going to be stuck on a road or traffic for a long time. And then got some perishable foods that can last up to a year. So every year you would have to switch this out. But it's better to be safe than sorry, and this is very inexpensive items to have. Another item to have is a flashlight. So this I got off Amazon for about $10. It's very nice, it's useful, and it's good to have in case of emergencies at night, of course, and I highly recommend getting this as well. Another item I highly recommend getting is a portable blanket. This is very light, portable, you can pack it, and this is only under like 20 bucks on Amazon as well. I'll post a link, and it unwraps and you got yourself a blanket. You never, like I said, you never know what's gonna happen, so this is what I carry. Another item is a hatchet. So hatchets are very inexpensive, under 30 bucks, and it's useful if you're stranded in the middle of nowhere, on a road trip somewhere, and you need to cut down some trees, survival gear stuff, and you can use it as a self-defense tool as well. So I highly recommend carrying a folder in your car too, to help you organize all your insurance stuff, any paperwork you have. Just makes things so much easier to find, especially if you get pulled over or something. And I actually keep it right here underneath the driver's side space. So here's everything that I showed you guys in the back of my secret compartment on my NX. And obviously there is still a lot of space here to put more things. So please comment below on what else you think I should carry in the back of my trunk in this secret compartment. And I highly recommend carrying things like this, especially for your NX 350 when you got extra storage space like this. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching, and wherever you are, I hope you're having an awesome day or night. And thanks for always supporting me, guys. I really appreciate it, each and every one of you guys. I promise not to slack off. I'll keep posting content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.